Hello everybody. Wearing a mask nowadays has become a new normal. We wear the mask and go wherever we want to just to prevent ourselves from coronavirus infection during the time of pandemic. But however, it has given rise to a new oral hygiene issue which is termed as mask mouth. Now what are the symptoms of mask mouth? Mask mouth symptoms are increased dryness of mouth, which results in foul smell or halitosis, increased cavitation or increased number of decays, gum disease, that is bleeding gums or swollen gums. Now what are the causes of mask mouth? When we wear the mask for longer duration, we tend to breathe through the mouth because our nose is partially blocked. When we breathe partially through the mouth, it causes dryness or decreased saliva. Now the role of saliva is to decrease the number of cavities and protect the mouth from gum disease and also to maintain the oral hygiene. How is it? Because it neutralizes the acids in the mouth and it also washes the food debris away. Another cause of mask mouth is dehydration. When we wear the mask for longer duration, we tend to drink decreased amount of water or less amount of water, which further causes dryness and reduced amount of saliva in the mouth. Another cause is improper recycling of air. When we wear the mask for longer time, the carbon dioxide gets trapped in the mouth. Then there is more carbon dioxide in the mouth than usual, which further increases the acidity in mouth, or oral microbiome's acidity is increased, and then there are chances of infection and gum disease. Or how to prevent mask mouth? Clean the mask regularly on the daily basis if you are using a reusable mask. Ideally, we don't prefer using a cloth mask, but if you are using it, it should be triple layered and we should wash it daily and dry it in the sun. The surgical mask has to be changed every 3 to 4 hours. N95 mask has to be changed when it is soiled, damp, loose, torn, or when it is fogging your glasses. When it is fogging your glasses, that also shows that it is ill-fitting. Now what to eat and what not to eat? We should take lots of fruits and vegetables and we should drink lots of water. Avoid taking sugary foods, processed foods. Avoid taking lots of tea, coffee. Avoid taking soda and sugary drinks. Maintain your oral hygiene very well. You should rinse your mouth after every meal, brush twice a day and use a good alcohol-free mouthwash. Now after the mouthwash, we are not supposed to eat or drink anything for half an hour. We can also use interdental aids like interdental toothbrush, dental floss, etc. You may take sugar-free chewing gums as well. Whenever you see symptoms or signs of mask mouth such as bleeding gums or foul smell, just visit your dentist for a professional cleaning. And lastly, stay safe and visit your dentist regularly.